another Universe Sandbox episode. This episode is called Hiccups. Such a lovely day and wonderful space vacuum and hey Earth. I discovered some bad thing called Hiccups. The hiccups. What's the hiccups? You just faked it. Wait. No, I did not. It really had the hiccups. I just discovered it because I got it. That's not how discovering works. Listen, Mort, if you want to discover something, don't experience it. Too bad. I experienced it anyway, so I just discovered it. Plus, hiccups are when you eat too fast, so there's not even food in space. I just ate vacuum. Oh. Anyways, now that I ate too fast, I'm hiccup. I'm having the hiccup. Hey, something very annoying. Mars, what happened to you? I got the hiccups. Oh no, I heard about this disease before. That is a disease? Yeah, when you eat too fast, I discovered it. It's not a disease, you're just you're just trying to make me scared. Okay, you got me on that one. But still, hiccups is very bad. You eat too much, that's very bad, and hiccuping is very bad. So yeah, try not to eat too many or drink too much. Yeah, I just drank vacuum water today. Oh, is that so? Well, you can drink more water. That way you can stay much healthier. Mercury, what are you doing? Did we already discover hiccups already? Not today. What? Come on. Oh, wait. Wait a second. You just made me Hannibal. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Hey, I want to have more water. Okay. Here. Alright. Thank you, Mercury. You're such a kind friend. Yeah. Wait, don't sweat it. Also, there's no reason for me to go on this side. Yeah. Hey, Mercury. Can you make yourself Hannibal? Oh no, I think we have the hiccups all together. Oh no. Now I give you guys the hiccups. Wait a second. I got two. Just kidding, I'm faking it. Have some water. See how you're faking it. I'm so hot I dry it up, so yeah. You can't have water on me. Oh, is that so? There you go. Yeah. Too bad. That's just a little bit too bad. Okay, here's some more. Ow, Hey! That's too much water! Oh my gosh! I finger tested it so badly that it destroyed herself. You know what the viewers thinking. I think that might have been a little too much. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna transform back to my original. No. Replace. I'm just gonna replace myself. Yeah. That was a failure. I can't believe Earth did that to herself. Hey, speaking of water, what do you think about me? Who are you? I'm Ocean Planet. Okay, but why are you here? I'm a fan-made planet. I just got made by the owner. You broke the fourth wall. Am I recording? Yes. Anyways, I sucked up. I'm the Ocean Planet, so that means I have a lot of water. Okay, well, I'm not gonna leave you alone, so I'm just gonna go. Aw, nobody wants to hang out with me. Well, it would be so cool if to have someone to hang out with. And I was like, oh, who is that? I don't know. Also, Fetus got a new upgrade. I forgot. I did not have permission to tell you this until now. Anyway, so yeah. Is that ocean planet? Is that a real life water? Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Let's catch it. Whoa, get out of here, you bozo. What the? Ha! Now you're mine. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh my gosh, why is it lagging? Oh, come on, I want to discover you. What? What a weird kid. Oh no, now because I'm hurt, now I don't have any water left. Well, that stinks. Hey, at least I didn't have hiccups anymore. Wait, the weird thing about me is I didn't hiccup at all. The end.